Go.
Hi, this is Suchadatta picking up the first chapter of Civics class 10, and the topic seems very interesting. It is power sharing. You all know that unless the powers and the responsibilities are not shared, we will have total confusion and anarchy. For example, if you take up your own classroom situation, supposing your monitor has all the powers, that is to collect the copies, the performer in charge, the discipline in charge, what will happen? You all are not going to like it, isn't it? Because the powers need to be shared to see that he does not become like a dictator. And democracy, you know, is a government which is of the people, by the people and for the people. Therefore, we need to share power in this type of government. We can see that there are two levels by which the powers can be shared. And we were taking first of all the example of a school. So, there are two kinds of power sharing. One is the horizontal and the other is the vertical. In a vertical setup, first of all, when we see, the principal on the top enjoys all the big powers. Then he gives these powers to the vice principal, then to the headmistress or the headmaster, followed by the coordinators, followed by the teachers. So, this kind of arrangement when the power is shared is called as the vertical power sharing method. But what happens in a classroom situation? It is of course the horizontal type of power sharing, because all the students are of equal level. There are 50 students in a classroom, all of them are equal, but there is a class monitor, there is a performer in charge, there is a register in charge, there is turnout in charge for cleanliness. But since all of them are on a similar level, that is, all of them are students, so the power is shared horizontally. So, first of all, we must understand that the power sharing has to be done vertically and horizontally. Now, here we have to explain this by picking up the example of two countries, one of Europe and other of Asia. Of Europe, we say Belgium, okay, and the other one that we will pick up Asian is Sri Lanka. Now, Belgium is a very small country, almost like the state of Haryana that we have in India. There are many different communities who stay there and they speak different languages. The 59% of the population which reside here speaks Dutch. The 40%, that is the 40% of it speaks French, and the remaining 1% speaks German. So, here there are three groups of people who are staying here, but they are actually speaking different language.